Look closely at the root cause of modern human decay. It isn't just poor stamina or bad skin. It is the silent, violent erosion of your internal barrier, the gut wall. Right now, processed chemical foods, microplastics, and synthetic toxins are burning microscopic holes through your digestive lining. This is leaky gut syndrome, a state where undigested food and toxic waste breach your fortress, spilling directly into your bloodstream, triggering chronic brain fog, autoimmune chaos, and permanent low energy. We've been conditioned to patch these symptoms with corporate antacids and synthetic pills that keep the body dependent. But the true biodefense blueprint was written by ancient nomadic healers who understood the laws of botanical physics. Today, we are opening the highly classified biological files to uncover 7 primal plants. These are not simple kitchen remedies. They are active cellular filters that can seal internal tissue tears, extinguish metabolic fire, and rebuild your digestive shield from scratch. Let's decode the matrix. The collapse of your internal defense grid always starts with raw, unprotected inflammation. To force an immediate structural seal, we look to the deep forests of North America for slippery elm. The inner bark of this ancient tree contains a dense, complex matrix of mucilage, a unique polysaccharide compound that transforms into a thick, cooling gel the moment it mixes with water. When this fluid enters your digestive tract, it doesn't just pass through. It acts like a high-speed, liquid bandage, physically coating the entire lining of your stomach and intestines. It creates a temporary, biological shield that prevents stomach acid from burning raw ulcers, allowing the underlying tissue to heal. Once the surface burn is contained, the deeper structural microscopic tears must be aggressively patched. To achieve this, ancient alchemists harvested marshmallow root. This rugged plant operates on a similar mucilage framework but targets a completely different layer of human tissue, the epithelial cells. The active chemistry of marshmallow root stimulates local cellular division along the mucosal membrane. It acts like a molecular stitch, binding to the damaged protein chains of a compromised gut lining, aggressively shutting down the internal leakage of toxins into your blood, and dropping your body's systemic immune panic within 48 hours. But sealing the wall is completely useless if the underlying bacterial balance is dead. Modern sugar-rich diets actively feed bad bacteria, creating a toxic biome that rots nutrients before they can be absorbed. To switch this environment, we dig deep into the earth for chicory root. This bitter, raw root is the world's most concentrated source of inulin, a heavy, non-digestible prebiotic fiber. Unlike simple fibers that cause explosive gas, chicory root travels completely intact straight to the deep colon. There, it acts as a high-density fuel matrix, exclusively feeding your body's elite defense bacteria, multiplying your natural probiotic numbers, and forcing a complete microbial overhaul. To supercharge this bacterial warfare and ensure bad pathogens are completely crowded out, nature engineered a bizarre, underground tuber known as the Jerusalem artichoke. Despite its name, this is a fierce, sunflower-related root packed with a specialized strain of fructooligosaccharides. When this active root chemistry hits your lower digestive tracts, it hyperaccelerates the production of bifidobacteria. These bacteria are your gut's internal security force. They synthesize short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which actively nourish the colon cells, lowering your visceral inflammation and turning your gut back into a high-octane nutrient extraction engine. The mental stress, digital anxiety, and constant adrenaline loops of the modern world create a massive surge of cortisol, a hormone that actively thins out the stomach's protective mucus layer. To block this neural destruction, we uncover licorice root, specifically in its deglycerinated or DGL form. This ancient botanical contains a unique matrix of flavonoids that balance the body's local cortisol breakdown inside the gut. It keeps your natural protective secretions thick and unbroken, ensuring that even when your brain is under high physical or psychological stress, your stomach lining remains completely immune to the eroding effects of anxiety. When modern processed seed oils and chemical preservatives create an immediate, raging fire of acid reflux and bile stagnation, you need a high-speed biochemical firefighter. This is the exact purpose of wild aloe vera sap. Authentic, raw aloe inner leaf contains asamanin, a powerful complex polysaccharide. The moment this thick, alkaline fluid passes through your esophagus and stomach. It downregulates the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines with extreme speed. It neutralizes systemic hyperacidity on contact, providing an instant, cooling wave over your internal organs and soothing the chronic tissue irritation that causes painful gut spasms. Finally, we trace our timeline to a rugged, overlooked botanical that grows in the hard, cracked earth of the wilderness, plantain leaf. This is not the banana fruit, but a fierce, green herb rich in allantoin and heavy tannins. Allantoin is a well-documented cell proliferator, a chemical compound that forces human skin and mucous tissues to knit themselves back together at an accelerated velocity. When drank as a concentrated infusion, plantain works on the lowest layers of the intestinal tract, binding loose tissues, toning the digestive walls, and finalizing the complete reconstruction of your internal biological fortress. The plants of the gut wall protocol did not evolve in pristine, artificial settings. They engineered their heavy, healing chemistry to defend their own cells against absolute decay and environmental pressure. You can continue to rely on corporate, synthetic chemical drinks and antacids that mask your symptoms while keeping your internal lining weak and leaking, or you can choose to introduce the prehistoric, tissue-knitting architecture of these 7 plants into your veins. The protocol is open. The choice is yours. Smash that like button if you're ready to seal the fortress. Drop a comment below. Are your cells leaking modern toxins, or are you ready for the gut reset? Subscribe to Ancient Vitality, and I'll see you in the next investigation.